Okay, so I'm gonna put the tail light back on. Before I do that, I need to clean the bulb with denatured alcohol. So that's just in case it touched anything that's oily or your hands or whatever. Anytime you have a bulb, you should always clean it. Make sure that it doesn't have any oil on it, because the oil will cause a hot spot on the bulb, and it will cause a glass to crack. And if that happens, you know, your filament will burn out, right? So you look at the thing itself. There's 2 O-rings there. Sometimes the O-rings are stuck on the back of the light, so take it off and put them back to what it's supposed to be. So let's see. So basically, I'm gonna put in the bulb first, because I don't want the bulb to get dirty by touching it. So the base here, you see, it's kind of like a triangle. You know, it's like a rotary engine triangle, you know, whatever it's called. So it only fits in, you know, you could fit 3 sides, but the reality is it only fits flush in one way. If it doesn't flush in that way, that means you're on the wrong side. So this one, it went all the way in, so that's good. That means I got the right side. So turn it clockwise and locks in place. That's good. Then on your other side is, you know, it's LED. It's not a regular bulb, so it's LED. So you just plug that back in. Put that back in, and it's also the same thing. It goes in a certain way. Once it goes in, then you could turn it clockwise and it locks in. So once you do that, the wire is a little bit different. There's this little bracket hook thing here. You know, it's like an L shape here. What you do is you actually have to hook. You actually have to hook it through the bottom first, before you could hook it back up to the top. So it's like a loop, basically. It's a little bit of a loop. This is how it's made, how Mazda did it. So let me move the camera here so you guys can see what it looks like. So it's like that. See that? Then you just plug it back in. So there's this white thing right here. That's one of the clips, or actually one of the places where the clip mounts. So this right here clips into that. How it's round, and it goes into that little slot. And the other spot is let's see, what's the other spot? There's a little pin right here. So this is a little pin. This little pin goes into the white thing right here, and you actually see the other side of this. You actually see the let's see, where's it at? I can see right here. So this thing here, it goes in there, so you actually see the little thing, but you can't see it on camera. But you can't see it, you know, in life you can see it, but on camera you can't. So I'm gonna stick that back in there. So it goes, basically it goes straight in. Wires, everything's good. Right there's good. It's lined up. It's straight in. You feel a snap on this side where that little clip is. Here, there's a screw on top here, right? The screw on top, and obviously this right here is where the nut is. So let me spin my nut on real quick. Nuts on. Then obviously I need to tighten it down. But so let's try to get that. Get this screw here. That screw. Then obviously the nut that's down there. Where's my wrench? There's my wrench to this screw here, or this nut here, I should say. And that's it. That's how you put in the tail light. So do the same thing with the other side, and you're good. Okay.